Okay, this is my Polo 1.4 2003. Earlier this year I got this car, and this car has always belonged to our family, to an older family member, and right now I am doing some maintenance on it. Earlier this year this car was in a little parking lot accident, and the left hand fender and headlight was damaged. In fact, the headlights was really bad at the beginning, and when the impact happened, the left hand headlight was shot. Also the fender. The bumper is right now under treatment, and I'm going to paint it and put it back. Also the right hand headlight was really bad from the sun, and 70 years in the sun yes, destroys these plastic lenses. And yes, I could have polished it, but I discovered that the electric motor that you can change the angle here was broken on this headlight, so I went another route and bought a pair of new headlights. And also, as I can show later in this video, I bought this fender painted and ready to go. I will do some maintenance and upgrade on this car, but probably I can make some videos about it. But this car has been sitting too long now, and it's cold outside, so let's start it up. Right away. 17 years old car, and has only 6,871 miles. Count how much that will be in 17 years, a year. I have to figure that out, but it's not much at all. Well, let's have a car run for a little bit and get warm. You can pop the hood, see what's under there. To change this left hand fender, you have to loosen this one, and there's a bolt here. Also you have to take out this wiper arm, and you have a screw down here, and of course these screws here, or bolts, whatever you call it. You have a couple, one here, and also the wheel wells here, and it's a plastic fender here, and behind it is one bolt inside to the cowl, and you have also, I think that's all that there is. I have a new side marker there. To change the headlights, you have to remove the bumper, and the bumper sits in these holes. I think it's 8 screws from the underside, and you have 3 here, 3 screws here, 1 on each corner with the headlights, and maybe some more here. I don't remember. I think it's maybe 2 or 4 here. It's very easy. The grill, also easy to put in. I think it's only here. Where it sits, and on the other side it just tabs into the bumper. I can cover that better when I put it together again, but right now I have to paint the bumper. I have some plans for this car. I also put some used 15-inch stock original aluminum wheels and new tires. I'm going to paint this blue. This will be blue, and I also have lowering springs to it. I will put in 30 or 45 millimeters lower. Yeah, and some maintenance on the engine I will do also. So stay in touch if you want to follow this. Thank you.
In Sweden, front fender, a new one for my Polo, costs 745 plus 395 Swedish crowns, which is about 103 pounds in English pounds. It's quite pricey, and I searched the internet on eBay and found this front fender painted in the correct color for my car, and actually it's the same price as a primed new one in Sweden, and this is also a new one, really nice painted and fits perfect. So there was nothing to consider, so I went with this one for my car, and the seller is Perfect Shops. Also on eBay I bought these headlights new. The seller is ATP spare parts, 93.95 plus 9.95 shipping. Really nice headlights. I would recommend both of them.